Good morning. Actually, trap case, bribe cases is being investigated. Trap was conducted very orthodox manner. All procedures are orthodox. No improvement. The standard of investigation and trial is not up to the mark when we achieved a lot of advanced method of investigations and trials, and particularly silent witnesses about recording video coverage. So many things are there. Every government office, they have got their own CCTV, but still they're able to manipulate the CCTV. And even in High Court, though there was so many CCTVs and checks and other things, still the High Court staffs, court staffs, family court staffs, city civil court staffs are going out and collect their demand. And particularly, uh, the firm advocates, those who are having offices, are being approached by collecting monthly and weekly and promising for yearly numbering, even if their petitions are not in order. This is what happening. Forget about that. But my continuous endurance was that I want you should be a good lawyer, even in conducting a Prevention of Corruption Act. For conducting a Prevention of Corruption Act, number one, that sanction is most important. Normally, we used to challenge the sanction being granted, and that is another question was acceptance of bribe. That is within the section 7, 13 and 20 of Prevention of Corruption Act. Here you see this case will definitely help you how the cases are being conducted, and this is what unfortunately demand was very meager amount, 500 and 200, that amount that was collected, and the lower court sentenced him for 1,000 rupees fine, 1 year punishment, and also appellate court also rejected it. Revision is also rejected. Then there was Supreme Court was approached. The problem was how this case was acquitted means the statement of the trap team, that means police officials, is totally different, and the independent witnesses evidences are not corroborating, even it is contradicting, because according to trap team, the independent witnesses were reaching after giving signal. That means the trap officer used to give signal as soon as the bribe was accepted. So therefore there is no possibility of independent witness speaking about receiving bribe. Here what had happened, some of the notes were thrown on the floor, and accused were asked to pick up the notes, and this litmus test, solution test, even though it is tallied, the Supreme Court says that no officer has stated that any accused had taken out notes and thrown on floor. So independent witness states that some notes were found thrown on floor. So prosecution failed to establish demand and acceptance of bribe beyond reasonable doubt. Accused were acquitted. See, the problem is these Supreme Court judgments are a blessing of grandparents. 500 rupees, 400 rupees, long years. So question of confirming the convictions. So they deeply gone through the entire evidence, and this way or that way,   they have given some verdict, appreciation, and also the judgment. So this is what happening. So the problem is these Supreme Court judgments are a blessing of grandparents. 500 rupees, 400 rupees, long years. So question of confirming the convictions. So they deeply gone through the entire evidence, and this way or that way, they have given some verdict, and acquitted it. They say also, see, PW 6 also not supported the prosecution's theory because he was an auto driver. He did not toe the line of prosecution, that's what they say. So, PW 82 led the trap team merely spoke of recovery of the bribe amount from the possession of the accused and hands and trousers of the accused, having positively reacted to the test solution. But that is contrary to the statement of independent witnesses who had stated that notes were lying on the floor and some of the accused were asked to pick up the notes. So that therefore they have acquitted him. Go through the judgment, it will be helpful for you. So you have to keenly watch what the evidence says. Best wishes.